Hello everyone, welcome to Micrological Concepts. In this video we will cover in brief how to prepare for banking services. This video is going to be helpful for those candidates who are aspiring to join bank as a career. Also for those who are in mid of preparation. This video is also going to help those candidates who are trying their luck in bank in ex-serviceman category. We will cover why to choose banking as a career, then salary and allowances in both cadres, officers and clerical, the complete selection process, how to prepare for bank PO and bank clerk. At the end of this video we will give you some tips for sure success. So to get the complete idea, stay with us till the end of this video. So coming to the point, why to choose banking as a career. Banking in today's scenario gives a better career in terms of salary, in terms of working hours, in terms of what you call it, freedom of employees, in terms of place of posting. In addition to salary, bank give different kind of allowances to their employees, like house rent allowance depending upon class of city, traveling allowance means cost of petrol if you have car or bike, whatsoever you have, then newspaper, furniture, loans on reduced rates. These are a few to cover, but so coming to the pay scale. Here I have covered the pay scale of officers cadre. The same here for clerical staff. So let's talk about the selection process of various banks. The SBI and RBI, they conduct their exams separately. Other than these two banks, IBPS is the recruiting body for all the public sector banks. The IBPS follows almost the same pattern of examination for selection to officers or clerical. There are minor differences, like we don't have interview for clerical cadre. We will discuss in detail. So let's talk about eligibility for a bank PO. You should be in 20 to 30 years of age. You should have a degree from a recognized university. This age limit is for general candidates only. According to your category, you will get as relaxation, like you will get 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SCs and STs. So examination pattern is for selection to PO. The IBPS follows 3 stages of examination, that is pre-exam, main exam and interview, and depending upon the marks a merit list is prepared and you are allotted with a bank. Here is the detail of examination pattern. Let's talk about preliminary examination. We have 3 sections: English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning. English, they ask 30 questions for 30 marks. The time allotted is 20 minutes. Again mathematics, that is QA, 35 questions, 35 marks. Time allotted is 20 minutes. Reasoning, again 35 questions, 35 marks. The time allotted is 20 minutes. Altogether we have 100 questions of 100 marks. The total time allotted is 1 hour. If you clear the preliminary examination, you will be called for main examination, and the main examination consists of 2 parts. One MCQ based and another one is written type, that means descriptive of English language. In MCQ we have reasoning and computer aptitude, 45 questions, 60 marks. Time allotted is 1 hour. We have GA, banking awareness and economy section, 40 questions, 40 marks, 35 minutes. English language of 35 questions, that carries 40 marks. Time allotted is 40 minutes. Data analysis and interpretation, 35 questions, 60 marks. This is very crucial for your selection, remember. Altogether we have 155 questions of 200 marks. The total time allotted is 3 hours. These sections are separately timed, means you cannot save your time in one section and cannot utilize in another section. Earlier we had these options. In many, so let us talk about the selection of clerk in bank. The selection process is almost same as PO, but a little difference which I will cover. The age limit is 28 years in clerical cadre. In general category you get age relaxation as per your category. One more thing I would like to add here is, for ex-servicemen in clerical cadre, the total length of service is reduced from your present age, and 3 years of relaxation is given in general category. In addition to that, you will be given age relaxation according to your category, but overall your age should not cross 50 years. The examination pattern is, for clerical cadre, the examination is divided into 2 parts, that is pre-exam and main examination, and one part. The examination process is again the preliminary is same, 100 question, 100 marks. The sections are also divided the same as in PO. I will briefly cover the mains. General awareness 50 questions, 50 marks, 35 minutes. English is 40 marks, 40 minutes. Sorry, 40 questions, 40 marks. The time allotted is 35 minutes. Reasoning and computer aptitude 50 questions, 60 marks. Time allotted is 45 minutes. And QA mathematics is 50 marks, 50 questions, 45 minutes. The total number of questions are 190. Maximum marks allotted is 200 marks, and the total time allotted is 160 minutes. So here comes the role of your guide. We will discuss about how to prepare for these exams. So I have divided into 4 parts. First, you have to clear the concept, means you have to learn each and every topic covered in the syllabus. Then you have to manage your time, you give focus to revision, and you have to practice a lot. So my success mantra for selection in banking examination is accuracy with speed. Means you don't have to run behind attempting total questions. Whatever you can, means try to attempt maximum questions, but whatever you can, you have to do it with accuracy, because negative marking is there that will pull you down in case you attempt it wrong. So accuracy with speed, and this comes through practice and practice only. In last 1 month you have to do only one thing: switch off all your electronic gadgets. You have to detach yourself from social media platforms and all other distractions. You switch on your timer, means whatsoever is the best suited method for you. You can use stopwatch or you can set an alarm into watch. You give an actual environment of examination to yourself, follow the time limit and do it. You may find you are lagging in first 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. You may attempt only 6 to 7 questions out of 50, but remember, the last day you will see a huge difference. So carry on practicing. All the best.